Drug Inspector 2009 paper. 1. Separation of a tablet into two or more distinct layers is called as. Answer. D. Lamination. 2. The polyethylene glycol ointment is an example of which type of ointment base? Answer. D. Water-soluble base. 3. In the production facility of injectable drug products, the water for injection is stored in tanks at. Answer. B. 37 degrees Celsius. A. Or D. Could be possible, but typically it's stored at a temperature that prevents bacterial growth, often around 80 degrees Celsius or at a very low temperature. 4. Which of the following drugs is available in the form of transdermal patch in Indian market? Answer. A. Diclofenac. 5. For the treatment of jaundice in newly born infants, which is administered is. Answer. C. Phenobarbital. 6. Which of the following microorganisms is believed to be a cause of gastric ulcers? Answer. B. H. pylori. 7. Which one of the following drug preparations should be orally administered after meals? Answer. D. All of the above. 8. Ergot alkaloids are used in the treatment of. Answer. D. Migraine. 9. Which one of the following drugs is used in the prophylaxis of asthma? Answer. C. Nedocromil. 10. Absorption of which drug is significantly increased when orally administered with high-fat meal? Answer. B. Riboflavin. 11. The deficiency of which vitamin caused the disease called pellagra? Answer. B. Nicotinic disease called pellagra. Answer. B. Nicotinic acid. 12. What is the pharmaceutical use of vitamin C? Answer. D. Antioxidant. 13. Which one of the following is considered as fourth-generation cephalosporin antibiotic? Answer. C. Cefepime. 14. Which one of the following is used as antineoplastic drug? Answer. D. All of the above. 15. All of the above. 15. Which one of the following drugs is categorized as a typical antipsychotic drug? Answer. B. Quetiapine. Answer. B. Quetiapine. 16. Aspirin tablet are not given in dengue fever because. The correct answer is D. Antiplatelet activity. Aspirin is not given in dengue fever because it can increase the risk of bleeding due to its antiplatelet activity. 17. Which one of the following drugs carries lowest risk of hypoglycemia? The correct answer is A. Glipizide. Glipizide is a sulfonylurea that is known to have a lower risk of hypoglycemia compared to other sulfonylureas like chlorpropamide and tolbutamide. 18. What is the pH of 0.1 normality hydrochloric acid? The correct answer is B. A. The pH of 0.1 normality hydrochloric acid is 1.0. 19. If the absorbance of a drug solution is 2, then what will be the percent transmission? The correct answer is D. None of the above. 20. Which drug compound is having empirical formula C16H19N3O5S3H2O? The correct answer is B. Amoxicillin. 21. The UPAC name of the compound CH3COCH2CH2CH3 is. The correct answer is C. Methylbutanol, also known as topentanone or methylpropylketone. 22. Which one of the following is a naturally occurring chalte involved in the processes of methylpropylketone? 22. Which one of the following is a naturally occurring chalte involved in the processes of plants? The correct answer is B. Chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is a naturally occurring chalte involved in photosynthesis in plants. 23. Which one of the following compounds is used as sweetening agent? The correct answer is B. 1,1,1-trichloromethyl. This is also known as chlorellose. 24. What is the chemical name of caffeine? The correct answer is A. 1,3,7-trimethylxanthine. Caffeine is also known as 1,3,7-trimethylxanthine. 25. Which of the following drug is used in the treatment of chronic fever? The correct answer is A. Chirta. 26. What is the common name of the herb, Ocimum sanctum? The correct answer is B. Tulsi. Ocimum sanctum is commonly known as Tulsi or holy basil. 27. Which one of the following drugs is used in the preparation of compound benzoin tincture? The correct answer is A. Balsamum peruvinum. Compound benzoin tincture is prepared using Balsamum peruvinum, Peru balsam. Which herb contains psoralen? The correct answer is D. Bauchi. 29. Which of the following is not a urinary tract antiseptic? The correct answer is D. Rifampicin. Rifampicin is an antibiotic used to treat tuberculosis, not a urinary tract antiseptic. 30. Chloramphenicol causes toxicity in infants, which is called as. The correct answer is C. Gray baby syndrome. Chloramphenicol can cause gray baby syndrome in infants. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more exciting content. Krishna Consciousness Tech.